Go. Yeah, YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. Two boxes, 2009 Gridiron gear, followed by the 2009 Ultimate. First time I busted that, but let's get into the '09 Gridiron gear first. Let's finish the breaks off strong so far. Pretty solid. Looking for some McFadden's for Brian. Let's see what we get. I'll keep the checklist just in case there's a redemption. Good luck. Let's get bustin'. Base. Rookie of Eddie Williams for the Redskins at a $9.99. And the rest is base. Again, for those of you watching on YouTube, every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesdays at 9:30, Saturdays at Kenny Britt, Next Generation for the Titans out of 100. Saturdays at 10:30, breaks are being done live on Blog TV. Come check it out. We have a rookie of Taekwon Underwood. Two guys that I actually sort of know. My brother was friends with Britt. But Kenny Britt, Taekwon Underwood, both out of 100. The Underwood's Titans. Underwood's Jaguars. Wow. Let's move on. Let's see. The Eagles. Yep, both out of Rutgers. I'm about 5 minutes from Rutgers. Yeah, Underwood actually went to my middle school, and then he moved in high school. Rookie of Brian Arakpo, $9.99 Redskins. No hits yet. And our first auto, that's actually a really cool one. It is a helmet auto of Dan Fouts for the Chargers. I really like that. At a 150. And it's like a rubber football. The football is like a rubber. Next pack is base. 2009 Gridiron gear. I personally really like the Gridiron gear product. Quinn Johnson for the Packers out of 250. I had some good success with this stuff in the past. I really like the fold out, not really the fold outs, but the pull outs. Matt Hasselbeck for the Seahawks out of 250. The pullouts meaning like the jerseys with the autographs, game jerseys with the autograph that you could pull out of the card to see the full auto. Base. So hopefully everyone is enjoying themselves on Blog TV with some breaks. And we got a one-color patch. Is that guy still in the room? Because he's been looking for him, and now we pulled one. For the Chiefs, rookie patch, all one color. You got some stitching, numbered out of 50, of Tyson Jackson. There's stitching on the side of it. Right on this side, it's a bunch of stitching. There he is. He's there. Tyson Jackson, Blog TV name, in the room. He was looking for him earlier. So there we go. That's nice look. I wish it was more color, but at the same time, nice card nonetheless. Rivals, Ryan Grant, Brian Urlacher out of 100. And these base just flipped over, so let me put them back. Patriots, Tom Brady out of 250. 1, 2, 3, 5 packs left. 5 packs left. And base. So far we got 2 hits. A rookie of Arian Foster for the Texans at a $9.99. This card will be a hit. Wow, nice card. For the Redskins, player timeline, patch from his LSU jersey. Nice patch from his LSU jersey auto of LaRon Landry, and that one's numbered at a 25. There's an auto right over there. You guys can't really, kind of blends in, but there is an auto on there. And part of his LSU patch. Number 23 out of 25. So far, 2 patches. 2 packs left. A rookie, Quinton Lawrence at a $9.99 for the Chiefs. And final pack of the Gridiron, then we'll get busted into the Ultimate right now. Good luck to everyone. Jeremy Maclin, Performers, out of, not numbered for the Eagles. And the rest is base. So here we go, 09 Ultimate. This one is number 67, 667. Zinc. Good luck. Let me move these to the side. Here we go, 2009 Ultimate Collection Football. First time I busted this product. Busted a bunch of Ultimate Baseball 09. If I could open this, I'm going to just cut it. One pack. I'm not sure if it feels like a sleeve or not. Again, first time busting this. And it is sleeved. There is a sleeved card in here. And it is stuck to it. Alright, here we go. Try not look at the sleeve card until the end. On top, we have numbered at a 375, Brian Arakpo, Redskins rookie. That's the base. Next is a Matt Hasselbeck, Seahawks, 375. And then a Matt Ryan at a 375. I'm going to put a base behind it just so I don't see the card. It's pretty thick, so I don't know. Again, this is my first time busting this. I don't know if it's one of those patch jerseys or 6-ways or what. I'll do a slow roll. And nice. For the Broncos, I'm going to take this out of the sleeve. I'm going to flip it over in a second. Flip. And it's one of those patch jerseys. Patch jerseys. The patch is 3-color. The jersey is 1-color, obviously. Numbered at a 99 for the Broncos of Noshawn Moreno. There's the patch. And flip. And there's the jersey. It's a nice Broncos card there. Thanks again for everyone who joined, and I'll be back Wednesday. GSN Cards is out.